Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that the equations displayed on the screen are an identity. To prove that the first equation is an identity, I'm going to simplify its left side and then see if it equals to a squared minus b squared. To simplify its left side, I need to use the distributive property. And when I do that, this equals to a multiplied by a plus b minus b multiplied by a plus b. Next, I need to open parentheses and multiply a by a and a by b, then minus b by a and minus b by b. When I do that, this equals to a squared plus ab minus ab minus b squared. The terms plus AB and minus AB cancel out because their sum equals to 0. Therefore, I have proved that A minus B in parentheses multiplied by A plus B in parentheses does equal to A squared minus B squared. I'm going to use the same approach to prove that the second equation is an identity. I'm going to simplify its left side and see if it equals to a squared minus b squared. When I apply the distributive property, this equals to a multiplied by a minus b in parentheses plus b multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. When I simplify further, open parentheses, this equals to a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared. Again, the terms negative ab and ab cancel out because their sum equals to 0. And I've proved that a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses does equal to the first equation, a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses, and they both equal to a squared minus b squared, or both equations are an identity. Overall, this identity can be written in 4 different ways. It can be written as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. It can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. And it also can be written as the reverse equations of the two equations that we just said. It can be written as a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. And then it can also be written as a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses. In algebra, we use all these 4 ways to write this identity and to apply it to solve math problems. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.